Assuming you want to change the mode of an image, the bitmap image, this is how it's done in CorelDRAW. I want to change from CMYK to RGB or black and white. So I have this signature. I want it to be in black and white. I want to be in this blue. After this is how it is after. So let's go dive in. Let me click here. This applies to signatures. So it comes to bitmap. Then on bitmap menu on the menu bar, you click on black and white, the first one. Change from here. By default, sometimes it will come. You have to change it to line art. So you increase it to the right. The threshold will be increased to the right. Nice it. So that it will reveal the details of the signature. Nice it. So this works. This is how it works. So you click on OK. Nice it. This is how it is. It has changed. So let me click on my zoom tool. If I take it out here, you see it. It's showing that it has a white background. So to eliminate this white background is that I will right click here. Oh yeah, let me just click it. So it's not right click, it's left click. So left click here to remove the color. Can you see it? So you might want to change the color of the signature. So you might want to remove all this trash from it, like this ones. So you use the crop tool, the eraser tool, X on your keyboard. You press X. Increase the size here. So this is how it works. Use it. Click on it. Alt up. So this is how it works. You can clean all these ones into minus. So you right click the color you want to give it. So for instance, I want to make it this green. Now I want to make it green. So this is how it works. F4. So this is how it works. This is how manipulates, change image to signature. How to edit, change the mode of signature to make it real. You got it all. You're welcome.